What's up, guys? It's the Brae here. Today we're doing a Nerf gun battle. That's right. Me and Daddy are going to go on each side. Daddy's going to be on that side, and I'm going to be on that side. Who think who's going to win? Daddy or me? Comment down below. Okay, let's get started. I gotta get Daddy's guns. And I'll get ready for mine. Okay, that one's not loaded, Daddy. And 3, 2, 1. This thing jam, I need an attachment. That's one not loaded, Daddy. We're starting the battle now.
See, we've started a battle and he hasn't given me anything to...
I gave you 2 bullets and 1.
No, there's not. You see anything in there, everybody? No.
Then I'll give you some.
Anybody see anything in that one? No. Oh, it got me.
I got you a bullet.
Oh, and it knocked it on the floor.
Oh, I hit it.
Hit the key. Hit my phone.
I hit the camera, guys.
There's nothing in that one.
Get
And definitely nothing in that one.
Get one of the bullets that I got. Hey, you're sitting on it. Look between the couch. Hey. Okay, you got it. I did it again. Look at the shot. Oh! Gotcha! Hey, there's a bullet right beside you. Right here.
It don't even work.
Fire truck! Oh, you used that one. That one works only on blue bullets. Gotcha. Oh, you got me right in the head. I need extra ammo. Hey, babe, oh, we are out of ammo, but we still got 1 bullet. Oh, come on. Tell me this is not jammed. There, lock. No! I need words this one. What's this gotta do? Oh, you missed! Oh! Tartar sauce. Ow! Hey, shoot, Daddy.
I can't reach any.
Thanks! Went behind Mommy's face. But I got it. I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo, Daddy. Thanks. Oh, I'm not. Locked and loaded. Dude! You're missing it. Hey, you already shot 2 bullets in there. Lucky shot. Oh, come on, don't tell me if this is June. Oh, duck it! This thing is... I need to do this. Hey, where's my... Oh! Thanks for the loot. Thanks for the ammo. What? Freeze, do you have ammo?
I got one, but it's on the floor
Like, pick it up.
because I can't reach it.
Pick it up. Oh! Jeez. Duck it! Oh! Are you still filming down
Yep, I'm almost done.
doing it? Doing this?
Because nobody wants to watch.
Yes, they do.
It's been 6.5 minutes.
6.5 minutes. This battle. Come on, guys. Cheer for me. Ah! Ah!
Oh. Oh, I think that's it.
Why?
Because you got me. I can't film anymore.
And you will be dead in a minute.
Brae says, thank you for watching this video.
No, I didn't. I didn't. It's not over.
And
Don't do that. Don't do it.
Daddy's-
Don't do.
Daddy's got to be fixed by the doctor.
No, don't.
We got to go. We'll be back. Tell them all we'll be back.